Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all. Inshallah, today we'll be recapping chapter 1 of thermodynamics. Alright, in chapter 1, we had learned about system in thermodynamics. System can be defined as a quantity of matter or region, a space chosen to be studied. Alright, system have three main features, which is boundary, the system itself, and the surrounding. Okay, let's take example for the house to be our system. The border around the system is called boundary. The area outside the boundary is called the surrounding. Okay, make sure you can differ system, boundary, and surrounding. System can be divided into three types of system, which is closed system, open system, and isolated system. In closed system, no mass can enter or goes out the system, but the energy can still be transferred in or out the system. For open system, mass and energy can be transferred out of the system through the boundaries. For isolated system, neither mass or energy can be transferred in or out of the system. Please remember that. So W is equal to 0, work is also equal to 0. Now let's look at the properties. Properties can be divided into intensive properties and extensive properties. Okay, the difference between these two properties is the independency to the mass. And extensive properties is dependent to the mass, such as mass itself, volume, energy, enthalpy, while the intensive properties is independent to the mass, which is not affected by the mass, such as temperature, pressure, and density. Now let's look at state. Okay, state is a set of properties consists temperature, volume, pressure, density, and so on. State can change depend on the process. For example, we have a piston with V1 and T1. V1 stands for volume 1 and T1 stands for temperature 1 for state 1. The piston then undergoes a heating process that change the properties to V2 and T2. Because the change of the process, the piston now has gone into state 2. Okay, I hope you understand about changing the state because of the process. Okay, process, there are few process in thermodynamics that you should remember. There are four main process, which is isobaric, where the temperature is whole constant, isothermal, where the temperature is whole constant, isochoric, where the volume is whole constant, and isentropic, where the entropy is whole constant. Please remember all four main process of the thermodynamics. Now let's look at energy balance equation. Energy balance equation states that the total energy that comes into the system minus total energy that goes out of the system is equal to the change of energy in the system. Okay, the equation can be write as E in for energy in minus E out for energy out equal to delta E of the system. Energy can comes in the form of heat, which is Q, work, which is W, and fluid energy, which is E mass. The energy in the system can comes in a few types of form, which is internal energy U, kinetic energy KE, and potential energy PE. Alright. So that's all for our class today. I hope you will remember that what we had learned before. This is just a recapping for chapter 1 we had learned on the previous week. And for your homework, draw a PV or TV diagram. Either PV or TV diagram that you find suitable for each of the question given. You can submit your work in any form in Google Classroom. Please state your full name, ID when submit your work. Thank you very much for your time.